Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on videos reposted from your friends on your account on TikTok on notification settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on this three lines here. Now go settings and privacy, and here go notifications. Here you will find videos reposted from your friends. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on videos reposted from your friends on notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.